Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from My Crypto Paradise, and today we are going to take a look at Bitcoin on daily time frame, Fear and Greed Index. We will take a look Bitcoin dominance and Ethereum versus BTC. Let's get into it. So firstly, we need to take a look at Bitcoin's trend line, which have been respected since November 2020. Alright, right here it was working like a resistance, still as a resistance, still as a resistance, and then there was the break to the upside, and since then it was being respected as support trend line here, here. Suddenly 4 days ago it was break down, okay, and this support trend line have been turned or flipped to the resistance trend line. So what can we expect right now? The Bitcoin have been on the daily time frame forming higher lows after higher lows, and suddenly with this breakdown of the resistance we formed a lower low after a long period of time. What can we expect next? The resistance trend line have been already flipped, and we can know that because we have been testing it for the first time after the breakdown around 3 days ago. All right, and it was rejected. Okay, now today we have been retesting it for the second time already, and as we can see it was again rejected. Not only the resistance trend line is now working as a great selling point, also the 0.66 also the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level is now flipped and working as a new resistance zone. Previously it was working as support, okay, as we can see right here, right here, right here, it was working as a support, okay, and now it's flipped and retested and working like a resistance zone. So basically this red zone was working as a consolidation area, all right, and now it's working as a supply area. So basically the demand zone now turned into the supply zone, and it's working as a resistance. So what can we expect next? Well, basically this was previously a symmetrical triangle, right? Here around $42,000 we have made a top. After that we have made a lower low, okay, and then again lower low again, okay. What does it mean? Basically it's not good from the classic technical analysis. Basically this was very bearish price action, right? Yes, we have been making higher lows here as well, but you can basically see the wicks below the trend line, which wasn't nothing nice. Yeah, there was a lot of liquidity going on, a lot of volatility, a lot of liquidation of law of bulls. So this was nothing beautiful, and the whole price action was forming very bearish. Yeah, there was not much bullish about this price action. So once we create the lower low right here in Paradise Family VIP, we have been actually selling at $39,000. I'm gonna show you right now. Uh, it was actually 10th January. We have been informing our VIPs that we are selling a majority. We pointed not all of our BTC to ASDT, now at 38,999. Okay, it was a great number, I'm not gonna lie. It was beautiful, and the best thing is that the Paradise Family VIPs had enough time to sell it, okay, because as you can see right here, we, like a few hours later after our post, we had this horrible downside pressure. Then we retested exactly our selling point, so even the latecomers could sell it at a beautiful price, and then we moved to the downside. We basically moved within a few hours, I think it was like 24 hours, something like that, to the 30 almost $32,000. It was crazy drop, all right. And as you can see right now, we are trading just at a similar level, almost at a similar level, and now we are retesting the previously support area now as a new resistance zone. All right, so the 34,000 to $36,000 now working as a resistance zone. Okay, so basically, guys, if you want to be long-term profitable, I would recommend, we would recommend you, I'm sure I'm talking for a whole Paradise team, that you should not long resistances, okay? Do not short on the support. That's the basic things. If you see a resistance, short it, okay? Don't short support zones, right? And this is something what most people still do. The Bitcoin starting to drop, okay, for example right here it's starting to drop, they starting to panic, alright, and they are panic selling, but they don't know they are right here at the support, so it goes up and now they are fear of missing out and they are buying at the resistance zone, yeah? And these kind of moves, some people are getting horribly wrecked. I'm not gonna lie, in these price actions, yeah. So you always need to be very patient before you take a trade. You need to make a proper analysis, and it's very important that basically you know what you what you are doing or what you are about to do. Yeah, don't be emotionally driven in this market, especially it doesn't go well. Okay, if you will. So what we are expecting in Paradise Family VIP, honestly, is right now we retested the resistance zone. We are going to $28,000. All right, that's the first support. If we not going to bounce or consolidate for a while and then bounce back to retest the new resistance zone, um like it's not very comfortable for me to say it, yeah, but the next obvious support zone we have, and we may be gonna test it, is the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, which is about from the current price. So if we would go to the 28,000, it's 13% drop. If we then did not jump from the support zone, we would go further 20%. From the current price, it's about 30% loss, okay? But you don't need to take it as a loss. You can take it as a great discount on Bitcoin price, right? So because we are still from a macro point of view, we are still in bull market, right? Like it would be still respected as a like as a healthy correction, right? So you can still take it as a healthy correction and basically take an advantage from this drop. It really depends on what kind of trader are you, if you are panic selling or FOMO buying and things like this. Well, this is our personal view on the market right now. We are definitely short, we are not definitely short term bullish, all right? We are midterm, we are short term bearish, short to midterm bearish. I think honestly we are going to test the 28,000. If we're not gonna jump or recover from this support zone, then we are going to $22,000. This is my personal view on the Bitcoin right now. Let's take a look on Fear and Greed Index. What is interesting, we are still in a greed mode, so there is still a lot of people who believe that Bitcoin's gonna go up, okay? So there are still people who are like giving the liquidity for the bears, okay? So the bears have people to sell to their bitcoins, basically, yeah? So these greedy people are producing the liquidity to the market, which is good for us, which is good for bears, okay? So as I'm always saying, yeah, when people are fearful, be greedy. When people are greedy, be fearful. You need to step outside of the crowd, of the majority of the people. Yeah, make sure you understand this, because this is important majorly in crypto market, because crypto market is really emotionally driven. Great, let's take a look on Bitcoin dominance, shall we? This is a 2 weekly time frame. That basically means that every single candle is representing 2 weeks trading activity. All right. What can we see right now is that we are forming head and shoulders pattern. All right. This is a bearish head and shoulders pattern. And what is, in my opinion, in our opinion, gonna happen next is that this is basically a bearish. Wow, okay, we have some volatility here. So this is basically a bearish formation of head and shoulders. So in our opinion, we are going to test this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is around 58.6%. All right, and if we break below that, we are going to 57, then to 53, and if we break 53, we are going to 50%. Okay, which is going to be great for altcoins. I'm not gonna lie. If we go to 50% of Bitcoin dominance, if we're going to this level, it's going to be absolutely amazing for altcoins. Because as you already know, I'm sure you know that, you are very clever, you know that when Bitcoin dominance is dumping, the money from Bitcoin are basically flowing into the altcoins, yeah? So the past 4 weeks have been pretty good for altcoins. I'm not gonna lie. We have been very successful in Paradise Family VIP. However, when there is these kind of surges, you need to be very careful, and you need to be sure that you see this reversal, okay, and you stop trading altcoins at this point, because the past 6 weeks behind this 4 weeks of successful altcoin trading for some people like wasn't very successful, yeah, because people are greedy, they are trying to make a lot of money every day. Okay, so you need to be always, if you are a daily trader, if you are a daily altcoin trader, I would recommend you to always have an eye on Bitcoin dominance charts. Not necessarily on 2 weekly time frame. Sometimes it's even better to put like 1 hour time frame, 2 hour time frames, and just watch both charts. Yeah. So for example, if you watch ADA versus BTC, ADA versus USDT, plus crypto total market cap. We will be talking about crypto total market cap in the next video. And so next to crypto market cap, also the Bitcoin dominance chart, yeah, and make decision based on more indicators. Okay, don't be just focused on one chart. That's no good. So from the long-term period of view, we are seeing that altcoins could be outperforming Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin could be bearish and altcoins could be making great gains, and that would be great for absolutely amazing alt season 2021, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look bad at all. If we break the 0.618 Fibonacci level, make sure you understand that first we need to break this important level, okay, this neckline basically. And we can already see the shift in the market dominance on Ethereum versus BTC. So basically, in the free channel, in our free channel, we have been bullish posting Ethereum for a long time. Yeah, basically we have been bullish posting Ethereum since around. I'm gonna take a look at it actually. I'm gonna take a look. It was since 3rd January, and the price of Ethereum versus Bitcoin was 0.028. All right, and that's amazing. You can see this post in our free Binance channel. All right, and so from 0. Okay, it was like something like this. So from this point, when we started bullish posting Ethereum, it pumped, like if I put it into the top, it pumped 70%, 70%, guys. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, we have been long on Ethereum, right? So this was absolutely great. Right now it's having some retracement because of the Bitcoin volatility, which is getting from the bears right now. Yeah, so the Bitcoin dominance on the short time frames gonna be a little bit bullish because there's increasement in the Bitcoin volatility, and altcoins gonna be a little suffering in the short term. However, this level, this green level, was previously a resistance. We have broken above it, okay? Then now we are going down. If we will be able to consolidate here for a bit, like I'm quite confident we are going to retest this next resistance level, okay? However, if we will not be able to consolidate here, or respect this new formed support level, we can go back down, yeah. However, because of the Bitcoin dominance looking increasingly bearish, I think altcoin's gonna do well. It's my personal view at the market. Let me know what you think about the current market situation in the comment section. Like, subscribe, share this video with your fellas. Take a look at the description under this video. You will find our website and join our free channels to learn and start trading like a professional with my crypto paradise. Ladies and gentlemen, this is everything from Simon. I wish you beautiful rest of the day. Take it easy and smooth. Have a nice day. Bye bye.